I did share this deal on my all digital deals video, which is before this post. So if you guys want to check out the breakdown for that one, go check out this video. I am grabbing 2 of them and using this coupon, a $2 off too. Next deal we're doing is going to be on the Dove. They are priced at $5.59, and then when you buy 2 you get $3 back in extra bucks. Now I'm going to be using this $2 off Dove shampoo CRT plus this $3 off to any Dove shampoo. So let's do the math. So it's going to be $5.59 times 2 because we're getting 2. Then we're going to subtract that $3 coupon, that $2 CRT, and then that's going to be our price. $6.18 for both of them. At the end of the receipt, we're going to be getting $3 back in extra bucks, making it only $3.18 for both of these. So it's going to be $1.59 each. Next deal I'm doing is going to be on this Gillette Mach 3. It is on sale for $7.99, and I have a $2 off paper coupon from the P&G. I have a $3 off Gillette Mach 3 CRT and a $2 off Gillette Mach CRT. Now these two will work together, so after all of our coupons and extra bucks, it's only going to be 99 cents for this razor. Another shave deal we're doing is going to be on this Gillette Mach 3 4-count refills. It is buy one and get $5 back in extra bucks. So we're going to be grabbing these, the 4-count, priced at $14.49, and we are going to be using this CRT here that takes $3 off 12 any razor refills or cartridges. So let's do the math. Okay, so it's priced at $14.49, and I forgot to mention we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon for that product, so that's the one we're going to be using. And then we're going to subtract that digital coupon minus the CRT, bringing our total to $8.49, and then we're going to get $5 back in extra bucks, making it only $3.49 for that cartridge. Next deal we're doing is going to be on these Gillette disposable razors that are on sale for $7.99. When you buy 3, you get $6 back in extra bucks. And then we are going to be using these paper coupons, a $5 off 1 and then a $3 off select Gillette disposables, which printed out last week for everyone. So I'm going to be using 2 of these since it's a limit of 2, and then I'm going to be using 1 digital one as well. So let's do the math. So it's going to be $7.99 times 3, bringing our total to $23.97. Then we're going to subtract $15 in the coupons. We're going to subtract $3 in the CRT, bringing our total to $5.97. And then we're going to subtract that $6 extra bucks we get at the end of the receipt, making this completely free. Next thing we're doing is going to be on this Nivea men's shave gel. It is priced at $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back in extra bucks. And we're going to be using this paper coupon that we got this Sunday that takes $2 off when you buy 2. Now we also have an Ibotta rebate for these where you get $2 back for each. So let's do the math. So it's going to be $4.99 times 2, bringing our total to $9.98. Let's subtract that paper coupon, bringing our total to $7.98. Then we're going to get $5 back in extra bucks. And then remember, we're getting $4 back from Ibotta, making this a $1 moneymaker. Next deal we're going to be doing is going to be on the Olay. They are on sale 2 for $12, and when you spend $35, you're going to get $15 back in extra bucks. So I'm going to be grabbing 4 of these. With that deal, I'm also going to be grabbing Old Spice. It is on sale for buy one get one 50% off, and they're priced $7.59 here at my store. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. Okay, so here are the 6 items I'm grabbing for this deal of spend $35 and get $15. And then these are the coupons I'm going to be using. They are from the P&G. I am using a $1 off 2 Old Spice body wash and 2 of the $1 off Olay body wash. Now the coupon says limit of 2, which is why I'm using 2, just because I know you guys get upset and then I get so many dislikes on my videos. But if you guys want to use 4 of those coupons, you know, I don't judge. So moving on, I am using this CRT, which is a $4 off 25 body wash. I am using a $3 off 2 Old Spice men body wash, and I'm also using a $2 off 2 Olay body wash. So all of these, and I'm going to do the breakdown for you guys. So the Old Spice body wash is priced at $7.59. So we're going to do $7.59 divided by 2 since it's buy one get one 50% off. That's going to bring our total to $3.79 for 1. And then we're going to add the $7.59 for the whole price one, and then we're going to add $24 for the Olay because they're 2 for $12 and we're getting 4, so it's going to be $24, bringing our total to $35.38. Now subtracting that $1 off 2 Old Spice, the $2 Olay coupons, the $4 off 25 body wash, the $3 off Old Spice, and the $2 off Olay, it's going to bring our total to $23.38. Now remember, we're getting $15 back in extra bucks after we pay, making it $8.38 for all 6 of these items, making it $139 each. Next deal I'm doing is going to be on these Colgate toothbrushes. They are buy one and get $3 back in extra bucks, limit 2. So I'm going to be grabbing 2, meaning I'm going to get $6 back in extra bucks. But I'm also going to be grabbing 2 of these, and then I'm going to be grabbing a toothpaste. So they have like different varieties, and the reason why I'm grabbing a toothpaste is because we got an instant coupon. So we all got this CRT for $2 off one. So I'm going to go ahead and grab an Optic White one. So those are the 3 items that I'm grabbing, and then these are the CRTs I'm going to be using. A $3 off 12 Colgate, the one that we all got this week, which is a $2 off select Colgate Optic White, and then I'm going to be using this 50-cent off Colgate toothpaste. So let's do the math. $4.19 for the toothbrushes, and we're getting 2 of those, and then it's $3.49 for the toothpaste. So that's going to bring our total to $11.97. Then we're going to subtract that $3 off CRT. We're going to subtract that 50-cent coupon, and it's going to bring our total down to $8.37. Now we're going to subtract that $2 CRT for the Colgate toothpaste that we all got, bringing us down to $6.37. Once we pay, we're going to get $6 back in extra bucks, making it only 37 cents for the 3 products. So that's going to be 12 cents each. Okay, next items we're going to be grabbing is going to be 3 mouthwash, 1 toothbrush, and 2 toothpaste. Now these are all priced at $3.99, and when you buy 3 you get $5 back in extra bucks. And then I have this CRT that I'm going to match it with. It is a $4 off 4 Crest CRT. 2 of these $1 off 1 mouthwash, and I'm going to be using 2 of the $1 off toothpaste. And then I'm also going to be using a $1 off 1 mouthwash digital and a $1 off 1 Oral-B digital as well. So let's do the math. So it's going to be $3.99 times 6, bringing our total to $23.94. Let's subtract that $4 off 14 CRT, and then there is it's a $1 coupon for each of these, so we're going to subtract $6, bringing our total to $13.94. And like I said, we're gonna get $5 back in extra bucks for each 3 that we buy. It's a limit of 2, so we're gonna get $10 back, making it only $3.94 for all of this. And then there's a $1 back Ibotta rebate. Rebate for the Oral-B, so we're gonna get $1 back, making it only $2.94 for all 6 of these products, making it only 49 cents each. Okay, next deal we're doing is going to be on these Hershey Candies, which would be like the Almond Joy, the Hershey bars, and Recess and Kit Kat. Now we got a CRT last week that takes $2 off when we buy 3, so everyone got this one last week. So if it hasn't expired, you remember you guys do have that 2-day grace period. So if it already expired, you still have 2 days after the day it expired, so definitely check your old CRTs. So we're gonna be buying 3, and our total is gonna be $9, and then minus the $2 CRT that looks like this, it's gonna come down to $7, and then we're gonna get $3 back in extra bucks. So it's only gonna be $4 for 3 bags, which would be like $160 each. Next deal we're doing is going to be on the Thermacare back patches. Now I have 2 coupons for this one. It is a $3 off one, plus the CRT that takes $2 off when you spend 8 on the back patch reliefs and all that. So let's do the breakdown. So these at my store are priced $7.79, so we're getting 2. The promo is when you buy 2 you get $3 back in extra bucks. So let's subtract $6 for the paper coupons, and then $2 for the CRT. So that is what we're going to pay, $7.58, and then we're going to get $3 back in extra bucks, making it only $4.58 for both of these. So that is going to be $2.29 each. Next deal is going to be on this free deodorant. It's completely free. I also shared it on my all digital deals, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check out that video as well. Okay, now for our last deal of the week, we are going to be getting a Dreft laundry. This is a 50 ounce. We are going to be grabbing the Downy Unstoppables, which is the 14.8 ounce, and then we are going to be grabbing the Tide, that is the 40 something ounce, the 37 ounce. So this one's the small one. Now these are all part of the promotion where you spend $30 and you get $10 back in extra bucks. Now let me show you guys the coupons we're going to be using. We are going to be using a $2 off one for the Tide liquid, a $3 off one for the Downy Unstoppables, and then we're going to be using a $2 off one for the Dreft. These are off from the P&G coupons that came out this Sunday. Now we're also going to be using CRTs on top of the paper coupons. We're going to be using a $6 off 30. We are going to be using a $3 off Dreft laundry and a $3 off Downy Unstoppables. So let's do the math. So the Dreft and the Downy Unstoppables are priced at $11.94 each, so we're getting 2. And then the small Tide is priced at $5.94. So that's gonna bring us to $29.82. And then let's take off the coupons. It's gonna be $4 for the Drift and the Tide, $3 for the Downy Unstoppables, $6 off 30 for the CRT, and then $3 for the Drift CRT and $3 for the Downy Unstoppables CRT. That's gonna bring our total to $10.82, and then we're gonna get $10 back in extra bucks. So that's only gonna be 82 cents for all 3 of these products, making it only 27 cents each. Alright guys, I am all ready to check out. These are all the CRTs and coupons I'm going to be using for this transaction. It's like a whole little stack. And then let's see how it goes and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, everything went as planned. I got all my items and oh my god guys, this was a much even better deal because I had a $4 off 15 pain relief and I didn't think it was going to work for the back patches, but it did. So I ended up getting these for $2 cheaper than what I said on my breakdown. And here is my receipt guys. I got all of the items that I showed you guys. These are all the coupons that I used, all of my CRTs, all of my extra bucks. My subtotal came out to $7.50, 56 cents, and then that beautiful tax that we always love, $10.46, making my grand total $18.02 for 27 items. Now let's see, I saved over $200. It was a 97% savings, and then I got all of my extra bucks. I got so many guys. Now I did my math already for all this, so from the extra bucks I got back, the rebates I'm gonna get back from Ibotta, plus the $3 in beauty for hitting that beauty mark for the Olay and Old Spice, I only spent $17.56 for these 27 items. So that makes it only 65 cents per item. That is insane guys. That is like just as good as last week. These deals were awesome. This does not include that hand sanitizer deal because I did it earlier. So that was an $8 moneymaker. If we include it into that, then that means this was probably only like $8 for everything because it was 17, so it was like, you know, around there something. So that is amazing guys. I hope you guys are able to get in on these deals. I hope you guys were able to get your coupons this week. Let me know what breakdowns you guys love, you know, what deals you guys are doing and all that, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.